Earplug, I got you straight. Keep from using up so much my data. I'm gonna pause this every now and then. Got my little two pill, driving it. And let me pause it real quick. Turn on my little two pill, show you how much I got going into it. Up here, we're looking at the top scale up there. And that's a come through, yeah, 2,000 watt scale all the way down, 200 right there. Okay, I'm gonna key it. Okay, that's 200 watts going into the 8 pill. Now I'm gonna turn the 8 pill on. Oh, we have 14 volts. And we're still looking at the top of the 2,000 watt scale up there. I'm gonna key it. And that's what we got, about 1,600, 1,700. And I'm gonna show you SWR on the front end. If you understand how to look at that. It's calibration, got it on calibration. I'm gonna key it. Then I'm gonna put it on SWR. Should be on the left hand corner, down in the corner. And when I modulate, backs up just a little bit. There we go. Then SWR on here, watt meter. That's reverse. Modulate. There you go. Rarely move. Anyway, we got about 1,700 on it. Earplug. ACA. D. ACA. Didn't have no problem out of it, but here we go. Earplugger. Bake, bake, bake.